The creature was last spotted in San Roque, so if you live in the areas of Capitol Hill or Garapan, please leave the area. For your own safety, we recommend you to take a boat to get to the other side of the island, as taking any type of land vehicle can expose yourself to the creature. Also, we suspect that the creature cannot swim due to its spider-like being and its size. We have gotten support from the U.S. Air Force, as 3 Blackhawks from nearby Guam are patrolling the island to track the creature.